Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making some pizza. Let's get to the video. First, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose wheat flour to a basin. I'll also add half a tablespoon baking powder, a 1/4 tablespoon baking soda, a 1/4 tablespoon salt to taste. I'll then mix everything well together with a spoon as shown in the video. After mixing all the dry ingredients well, I'm now going to add some milk bit by bit as I mix well. I'm now going to make a soft dough as shown in the video. My dough is ready. I'm going to cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. While our dough is resting, I'm now going to the second step, which is to make white sauce. First, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. I'll then add 1 tablespoon garlic paste, or you can just use chopped garlic. I'll mix it well and then I'll let it fry for a while. After frying my garlic for a while, I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose wheat flour to my pan. I'll also add a 1/4 tablespoon black pepper and a 1/4 tablespoon salt to taste. I'll then mix everything well together as shown in the video. I'm now going to add half a cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of water. I'll then mix it well together and then I'll let my sauce boil on low-medium heat until it thickens as shown in the video. Our sauce is now ready. I'm going to set it aside. After 15 minutes, our dough is now ready. I'm going to sprinkle some flour to a board and then I'm going to roll my dough and make it larger as shown in the video. now going to brush a silver plate with some oil. I'll then add our dough and then I'm going to spread it evenly. I'll then use a fork to poke it and make some small holes as shown in the video. The fourth step is to make some pizza sauce. I used 1 large tomato to make some tomato puree, and then I added 1 tablespoon ginger paste to it, and that was my pizza sauce. You can replace tomato with some tomato sauce or tomato ketchup or tomato paste. I'm now going to add our pizza sauce to the dough that we prepared. I'll then spread it evenly as shown in the video. Next, I'm going to add white sauce on top of the pizza sauce. I'm then going to spread it evenly as shown in the video. I'm now going to add my favorite toppings, or the toppings that I have. I added some carrots and onions. You can also use tomato or pepper. I used a charcoal stove to bake my pizza, but you can also use an oven or you can use a gas stove. I preheated a heavy pan for 7 minutes. I then added my pizza plate and then I covered it for 15 minutes. And then I used a lid to cover it again well. And then I added some charcoal on top as shown in the video so that my pizza can bake evenly. Our pizza is now ready, you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.